Welcome to FETW Insights Daily Iron Ore and Steel Updates 22nd September 2025. Hi, I'm Shruti. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at $106.60 per DMT in the noon closing hours, up by 0.06% from the previous session's settlement of $106.54 per DMT. Prices opened at $107.35 per DMT but faced mild pressure during intraday trade with a low of $106.05 per DMT before stabilizing. The modest uptick reflects a cautious sentiment as the market weighs steady demand from Chinese steel mills against ongoing concerns of supply discipline from major miners. Meanwhile, liquidity remained active, but the narrow price range signals a consolidation phase as traders await fresh cues from China's construction activity and broader economic stimulus measures. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market traded on a largely stable note today, with prices holding steady across major hubs. Trading activity remained moderate, supported by balanced buying from traders, while demand from the infrastructure and manufacturing sectors showed limited movement, keeping overall sentiment neutral. Pellet prices in India varies between 8,400 rupee to 8,500 rupee per ton, ex-barbil. Pellet sponge trading levels around 24,600 rupee to 24,700 in Raipur, up by 300 rupees. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 36,900 rupee to 37,000. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 39,500 rupee to 39,600 for the grade Fe500. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 43,000 to 45,500. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also join our community group through the link in the description to connect and engage further.